In this question, let's separate all the four integration. I'll get minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 x cube dx plus x cos x minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 dx plus integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 10 power 5 x dx plus 1 dx minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now I know that integration minus pi by 2, I know the property which states integration minus a to a fx dx will be 0 if the function fx is a odd function, or I can say f minus x equals to minus of fx and equals to 2 integration 0 to a fx dx when if fx is a even function, which means f minus x equals to fx. So let's see all the integration. The first x cube, since if fx is x cube, then f minus x will be minus x cube, or I can say minus x cube, which is minus of fx. So this is odd function, odd. Let's take fx equals to x cos x. F minus x will be minus of x cos minus x, so which is minus x cos x, or I can say minus fx. So this is also odd function. Third integration is 10 power 5x. So if let's say fx equals to 10 power 5x, then f minus x is 10 minus x power 5, which is minus 10 power 5x. So it is minus of fx. So third integration also is also a odd function. Now for this 1 dot dx, so if fx equals to 1, f minus x will also be 1. So here f minus x equals to fx, so it is even function. So first three terms will be 0 and fourth term will be 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus it will be 2 into 0 to pi by 2 1 dot dx. So I'll get I equals to 2 into x 0 to pi by 2, or I can say 2 multiplied by pi by 2 minus 0, which is pi. So I will be pi. This will be our final answer.